Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if you can trade commission-free on Questrade. Yes, you can trade commission-free on Questrade. Specifically, Questrade offers $0 commission on the purchase and sale of Canadian and US listed stocks and ETFs. This means you can buy and sell these popular investment types without paying a commission fee. However, it is important to understand that commission-free doesn't always mean completely free. While the commission is zero, other fees may still apply. These can include: first, there are electronic communication network fees, or ECN fees. These are small fees that may be charged by the exchanges, usually when you place a trade that removes liquidity from the market. For most investors, these fees are very small. Second, if you're trading options, there is a per-contract fee. The base commission is also $0, but you will pay a small fee for each contract you trade. Third, there can be administrative fees for things like wire transfers, account transfers to another institution, or paper statements. And finally, a small currency exchange fee may be applied if you are converting Canadian to US dollars. In short, Questrade is a very cost-effective option for trading stocks and ETFs due to their zero commission structure. But it's always a good idea to be aware of all potential fees to fully understand your trading costs. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.